Doppler frequency or Doppler shift is the change in the frequency of sound waves that occurs as they are reflected off moving objects. A real-life example is how you hear a siren as an ambulance is driving towards you and how the sounds change as the vehicle travels past and away from you. This is how the principle of color Doppler works when studying blood flow and the move of red blood cells. To obtain the best Doppler images and detect the largest Doppler shift using ultrasound, the transducer must be placed at an angle of 0 degree to the vessel of interest. However, due to practical considerations, an angle of 60 degrees is used. Color Doppler can distinguish when blood is flowing towards and away from the transducer. When blood is moving towards the transducer, it's termed a positive Doppler shift and is represented as a red flow of blood on screen. A negative Doppler shift where blood cells are moving away from the transducer is represented as blue on screen. Different types of color Doppler also exist for use in cardiac and vascular ultrasound. Cardiac ultrasound primarily uses continuous wave Doppler. A continuous wave transducer is designed to be able to have one part of the transducer consistently producing the sound of being and the other part of the transducer consistently receiving the sound waves that are reflected back. Continuous wave transducer can also accurately determine the speed of which blood flows. Pulse wave Doppler is primarily used for the rest of the vascular system as a round-trip effect, enable greater accuracy about location rather than just blood speed, whereas color Doppler is used to assess patency and blood flow. Spectral Doppler or spectral analysis is used to quantify the amount of blood flow and resistance. Each part of the systolic peak represents the range of different blood velocity of the given time. The highest point of the peak indicates the maximum velocity. Power Doppler is more sensitive than conventional color Doppler for the study of small vessels which have low blood speed, as it overlays Doppler information on the grayscale image and just shows the energy within vessels.